Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a tutorial on how I apply cushion grip on both my upper and lower denture. The first thing I do is I clean my denture very well. I use an ultrasonic cleaner with a little bit of stain away. Then I brush my dentures using the denture brush on the inside of the denture and a baby toothbrush on the outside where the teeth are. I use a baby toothbrush because it is not abrasive, so it's not going to damage those precious denture teeth. The next thing I do is I rinse off my teeth. I then put the cushion grip under running hot water for a few minutes to get it all softened up. And then I take a paper towel and I dry my dentures very thoroughly to make sure that the inside of the denture is 100% completely dry. That way the cushion grip adheres properly to your denture, and you won't really have any spots that will be coming loose later on. So once I dry my dentures all the way off, I then take the cushion grip out of the water and dry that off so that there's nothing wet getting on the cushion grip or on your fingers, and you just make sure everything is completely dry. Then I put my dentures down and I open the tube of cushion grip and I go ahead and start taking little dabs at a time, and I just put them where I feel that I need them the most. I have relines in both of my dentures, so I don't really need a lot of cushion grip. On my upper, I mainly feel like I just need it on the back corners, and on the lower, I just put a little bit inside all over. I then put my dentures in my mouth. I bite down for 30 seconds to a minute, and then I take it back out and I make sure everything looks good and that it feels comfortable. You may feel some of the cushion grip stick to your gums a little bit when you go to first remove it. That's okay. Just try to wiggle it out. And if you do have some that does stick to your gums, just peel that off your gums and then push back down on the cushion grip on your denture, because it's still very pliable and it will still form around your gums, so it won't be messed up. Then go ahead and try it back in again. Make sure it feels okay. Add more cushion grip as needed, but just make sure that your denture is dry again before adding more. And then you can wear it all day long, or you can leave it sit out at night. You don't want to soak it the very first night that you put cushion grip on, because it will get very waterlogged and just weird and not fit right the next day. So either make sure you wear it all day and all night, or leave it out at nighttime the first night. As you wear it, you may notice some excess come over the sides. You can trim that off later as needed. And then the next day, or within a few days, if you notice it still feels loose, you can add more layers on top of what you already have in there. Just make sure you clean and dry your denture like you normally would. But that's all I have. If you guys have any other tips, or if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.